Welcome back, guys. Matthew and Dad. We're gonna be playing some kill streak in Roblox, and as you can see, Matthew's already pretty buff. He has green armor. What level are you, by the way? Oh, you're level 74, and I am level 10. That's gonna be good. Gonna be good for me right now. Oh God. Okay, where do I go? Where do I go? There's people over there. The strongest guy is not moving. He's inside the base right now. Oh,
yeah, he's inside.
Oh, I fell. There was a hole, and I fell. I lost the level. Oh, that's not good.
Huh. Oh, that person died. That person right there. I think that person's one more level than you, because they have a chance with an axe.
Oh, okay. I'm level 10 now. Yeah.
Look at me. I'm full emerald. Oh, I fell. Now I'm back to full. I lost 8 levels.
You lost 8 levels?
Now I'm back to full.
I'm gonna fight this guy. I'm gonna fight this guy.
Oh, Daddy.
Yeah.
Daddy, the maximum guy is going out.
Yeah, but did you see? I yeeted that guy into space.
Now look at him. Look at the guy. Look at the guy. He's tricking us.
Oh,
Dang. Yeah. He's making people think he's going outside, but he's not.
I'm outside. I ain't scared. I ain't scared. I'm kind of scared, to be honest, because what if he wrecks me? He could wreck me. He could wreck me so quick, I'm sure. Oh, good. Oh, wait, that's you. How?
They got a level.
Dare you? I was barely level 11.
You can't beat me anymore.
Nope, I definitely can't.
Because after I just destroyed you, hit me.
Oh, here comes the guy. Here comes a super buff guy. Here comes a super buff guy.
No,
he's not coming. All right, I'm gonna stay over here.
Die! People are coming out. Oh, the super strong guy came out. Oh my gosh, he's out. I'm dead.
I got him.
Good.
Oh, wait, what? Oh, I actually got saved because of that.
Oh no.
I actually got saved because of that, or else I would have died instantly.
Me too.
I'm going. I ain't scared.
Dad, run away from that spot. That's where the black guy was full like netherite armor, and the guy was ice armor.
Yeah,
Daddy,
look, they're climbing up there. You see that?
Daddy,
yeah.
The ice guy has 4 more levels than he had before.
Okay, you know what? I'm looking at the kits. I really want to buy myself a kit. Cause right now I'm just the ranger, the champion. The champion.
Yeah.
No, I think I want to get the assassin. Oh, we have to go to a safe zone to buy it. Let's buy it. I'm gonna buy it. I'm gonna buy the assassin. I know, but I'm an assassin now. Bam!
Look how flat my hammer is. Why is it so flat?
That looks like an axe to me. That doesn't even look like a hammer at all.
I know.
What can I do? So what can I do exactly? So control is run. All right, I already knew that.
Daddy, I did 26 damage.
Get him, Matthew! Did you get him?
Yes, I killed him. Dad, look at my hammer now.
Oh, that looks so cool. But I'm only level 11.
But Dad, look at him. Dad, he has. Look at this. Oh, he just leveled up.
He leveled up. Oh, so he got his level back. I died. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna buy me some levels. I'm gonna buy me some 50 levels.
I'm just gonna buy 20 because I don't really need that many. I'm already so strong. Now look at me.
I'm not. I'm gonna buy me 50 levels.
So I'm gonna buy the most.
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh, Dad.
Oh, look at me.
You're full knight. Dad, you're a knight.
Fight me. Actually, let's do it. Ready, set, go. Who won? Oh, I won. Oh, I won barely. Oh, you're dangerous. You're so dangerous. Oh, I killed the guy. I killed the Alex guy. Oh, take that, nerd. Oh.
Hey, look at this level now. You're so easy to kill.
Oh, get him, Matthew, get him. Oh, he ran away from me. Oh, bring it on. Yeah, we got him again. The #1 guy is no longer #1. Now we are the strongest.
I mean, he's still up there.
we're still the strongest. I have a daily. What do I do? Deal 14. Reach through. Ascend once. What is ascend once? What does that mean? Now we are the strongest, Matt. What is? I have a Q. What does a Q do? What does Q do? You know I never. Oh, what did you do? That was you?
Yeah.
What in the world? What do I do? Shockwave. Oh, I have a shockwave.
Use it on me.
No, I'm gonna use it on this guy. He's over here. He's running away.
He's running away because he's scared. He's scared of us.
Yeah, he's running away. He's running away.
Don't run away. Don't run away. You can't. You can't. You can't. You can't.
Oh, you got him. You got him. Oh no, he's hiding. He's hiding. He's hiding. You should go inside and heal, man. You're about to die. Unless you want me to go and obliterate
You
you.
left. You left.
He
You're not the
left.
strongest. I'm the king of this world.
What happened?
Oh, I remember this. How dare this person? No, don't you dare, person. Oh, Daddy, where are you?
I'm fighting this nerd. I'm fighting this nerd.
You're getting the emerald armor. Do you see?
Yeah. Look, I got it, man. You see my emerald armor?
Yeah, but mine is enchanted.
Oh, is it? Oh, okay. Yours is way stronger than mine then. Dude, you're number 1 in this server right now. Just make sure you don't die.
I was thinking of buying another 20, but I'm not. It's too much.
Oh, wait a minute.
It's
I'm
too
level
much
15
power.
assassin now.
Yeah, isn't it too much power? It's too much power to buy another 20. Because I already bought 40
Who wants to
levels.
challenge me over here? King of the Hill. King of the Hill.
40 bought
15 levels, dude. 15 levels for King of the Hill. You see where it is?
No.
It's over here where this guy is. I'm going to fight him.
I'm rushing.
I might need some help over here, buddy.
Okay.
Where are you? Where are you?
Get over here.
Oh, I see you. I see you. I see you. Let me know when you need backup. Let me know when you need.
Okay.
That's fine. That's fine. Just kill that nerd. I'll protect you over here.
Dang, he's joking me. He's joking me. He's joking me. I'm getting attacked by everything right now.
I killed one.
Getting attacked by everything. Not me.
Oh, if you need to run, just run. I got it. I killed another one. I'm just here for the kills. I don't want the. Oh, that's you. Oh, Matthew, how come you didn't tell me?
That wasn't me.
That wasn't you?
No?
Oh, I thought that was you. That's why I was so confused. Ah, somebody else got the bonus. What level are you right now? Oh, you're still the number 1 right now.
Yeah, I watched levels though.
You did? Oh, man. Oh, go fight some guys. Look, fight that guy right there. Fight those 2 guys over there that are down there. Hey, how come you're not your normal class? You're not the hammer guy.
A fireman.
You're fireman?
Yeah, look at me.
Oh, you bought a new kit?
Yeah, look. Look at this and look. Oh.
I think you have to.
Master
I think you have to unlock the mastery. So you have to fight to unlock your masteries there.
But look at my sword.
I know that looks so cool. You probably do like you do fire damage. Oh yeah, fire damage.
I do fire damage. Dad, but the fire damage isn't for too long though.
Oh, it's not. I mean, as
It's
long
only
as it
for
does.
a few seconds.
As long as it does damage, that's the important part. Where is the lucky block?
It does a little bit of damage. I'm 5 levels away.
I'm trying to chase this nerd.
I just need 1 tap. I just need 1 tap. Please, just 1 little tap.
Ah,
Dad, the person fell into lava.
did it? Did he?
Yeah, and now you lost.
Ah, I was invisible. I was invisible. Oh no, I fell.
You're not the king. You're not the king. I am the king. You are not the king.
Oh no, I fell.
You're
Oh
not
wait,
the
I
king.
have something here. Oh, okay.
The
That's
green
for
dragon
that's a
make me
consumable.
Oh,
I killed 2, just like that.
yeah, 7. I'm level 7.
Oh, what's up, buddy? I see you up down there.
Golden.
All right, go for it. You can take that guy out. I'm gonna go over here.
Where is he? He found the lava.
He found the lava.
Yeah.
Did you at the very least get like a level or something?
No.
No.
I think you got it.
We're
You
gonna.
put me in the lava. You pushed me into the lava again.
Oh yeah, I killed another one. Oh yeah.
The golden guy when he respawned, he killed me in the lava.
Oh, that's why you gotta be careful. Don't stand close to all those places, cause then, yeah, you get wrecked. Oh, he did it again. He did it to me. What a nerd. I'm gonna go get him now. Oh, he's so dead now. He's so dead now. He is.
I'm just killing everything.
Oh, he's so dead now. Oh, he's so dead
Killed
now.
me. He killed me.
Who did?
You.
I did. How?
Because Daddy, I was hitting everything, and then you were also hitting me.
Oh, I didn't even realize you were there.
Yo! Last 3 more away. Just 2 more levels to go. 2 more levels to go.
Oh, King of the Hill.
Woo! Daddy, now I can't wait to see what my last level weapon. Daddy, where are you?
I'm fighting right now in the thing.
Roar! Oh! Burn everybody! Burn everybody next to me.
And you burned me too, but it's fine.
Yeah, so I helped you a little.
Let me know if you're here so I don't hit you on accident.
I'm not. I'm in the safe zone. So
All right.
So we can get some levels. Because I lost a lot.
Yeah! I won! Dude, the assassin is powerful, man. I'll let you fight everything there.
Okay, they're burning.
I wonder if they still die.
Oh, don't you know? What?
I wonder if they still die. You know, they go to the safe zone and then they're still burning.
They do.
Oh, they do? Oh, yeah, there we go. That guy, that class is also overpowered, I'm sure.
But Daddy, they.
Yeah.
But everyone is so smart that everyone just.
They just run?
Yeah, they just run and die. Every time they run, I don't get a chance to do another hit. Because every time I do 1 hit, they don't burn to death instantly. Even if they're level
Yeah. Oh,
0.
I got another advancement. Oh, I got a spinny wheel thingy-mabobber.
Spinny mini?
Spinny mini. That's exactly what I got. I got a spinny mini.
I'm gonna change back to my hammer class. If I hold it, the more range my ability gets.
Oh, seriously? Oh, that's
The
pretty
hammer. Where's the hammer?
cool. Yeah.
But that
Uh-huh.
it takes a long time to recharge.
Oh, okay. I
Actually,
see.
no, it doesn't. Oh. A lot of rain. Oh, I almost fell.
So for...
Yeah, there. Dad, don't touch the cactus.
There's a cactus?
Yeah,
Oh.
they damage you.
Oh, I see a cactus. Oh, what's up, buddy?
They damage you.
All right, I'm gonna fight this guy.
Dad, you have to be careful.
Yeah,
not to
take
touch it.
that.
Hey, look. Look what happens when you touch it. Ow.
Oh, yeah, I see it. Yeah, I'm not gonna get close to that.
Because you don't want to get.
And there's that guy. All right.
You don't want to die and lose a bunch of levels.
Dude, I'm level 90. What level are you?
98.
98? Oh, I fell. I killed myself. I'm level 81. What? I went down 9 levels? That's so bad.
And the more to level you up, the more levels.
Oh, I killed myself again. This is so bad. And you still only gain 1 level, huh?
Yeah. Oh gosh, why?
Oh, I'm turning invisible. Nobody can see me right now. I killed one. All right. He thought he was slick and hiding, but I found him. And the depths of the universe. Oh, yes. Oh, I killed another one. Oh, I almost died myself. Let me run. I gotta run. I'm gonna disappear in a puff of smoke. No, I'm not. Mastery level 38. All right, that's pretty cool. Oh, I forgot about the King of the Hill thing. It's way over there.
You're King of the Hill.
Are you doing the King of the Hill?
What are you talking about? What King of the Hill? Oh, here.
Yeah, but it's already too late. Oh, I fell again. Why? Why do I keep falling? Why is there so many holes in this level? I'm level 69 now, dude. I went down so many times.
Yes.
Yeah. I got another level. All right, 71. Are you fighting over there?
Yeah.
Oh, nice, dude. Did you win?
I won. I got some.
Oh, nice, dude.
I got.
Watch out behind you.
I got 2 levels. I got 2 levels.
I'm fighting this nerd. There's a guy teleporting everywhere. I don't think that seems right. Oh, that's cool. What? Okay, so I'm getting all these abilities. I just don't know how to use them exactly. Oh, it's what is this? Inventory. Something in my inventory? Auto consume. Run at 2 times normal speed for 80 seconds. So if I consume... Oh. I am so fast. Because I think I consumed a foot. And the foot makes me run fast. That's exactly. I'm sticking to it. I consumed a foot. I'm pretty sure that's not the right way to say it, but I did.
I'm pretty sure you drink a speed post.
I consumed a foot.
Then how did you eat it?
It was a foot, and I said it tasted delicious, and then I ate it. That's exactly how it went. But I think we have proven that we are #1, Matthew. Because look at us, we're so strong. Oh, I gotta run. I was so low. I'm alive.
Okay, I don't.
So which class did you like the best out of all of them? The fire guy, the hammer, or your normal sword and shield guy? I got another kill. Oh yeah. Feel the damage, nerds. Oh, you want some of this too? Okay, you ran away from me. Oh, you want some of this? He's back. Okay, he ran away from me. Oh, you want some of this? Oh, he ran away again. Why do people keep running away from me? I'm not that scary. I'm only wearing green armor. Oh, what's up, buddy? What's up? Watch out!
Green means go.
Ah, I'm on fire! I'm on fire! Oh, I fell! No! Why do I fall? Oh, why am I slow?
That's what happened to me.
I'm going.
Eat! I eat! Everything is burning around me. Now I'm dead.
I killed a lot of them. Let me know when you're back.
To burn!
Ah, I'm gonna fight the people down here. Hopefully you're on top. Yep, you're on top. You're on top. Stay on top. Stay on top. I'm gonna lose some levels, but it's fine. Why are you running away from me, bro? Huh? You wanted some of this. He wanted some of that. You're #1, Matthew. Yeah, you did it. You got 15 levels, dude. Nice. Let's run. Run back to base.
I need the shards. I need the souls.
The ice guy that has the ice kit. He's level 100 right now.
Well, I'm level 3.
I know. We're giving them a chance to catch up to our skill level. Because obviously once we got to high level and we got our new kits, the new kits were awesome, dude. We were able to dominate the entire server. Because we even got King of the Hill a few times. That was sick. Alright guys, that's it for today. Again, the name of the game is Killstreak. Really fun game, even though we just spent a little bit of Robux, because you know it's a fun game. We definitely like it, and we're gonna keep playing it just so we can get ultimate level max. I don't even know what the max is, like 1,000 or something crazy. I don't know what it is.
There is no max.
There's no max. There you go. There is no max. We're gonna reach the non-max level. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. And Matthew, just say bye.
Bye.